We were discussing the bitwise shift operator, ma'am, right shift operator. And
Okay.
today we have to unsigned, ma'am.
Okay. So, are you all getting whatever I am discussing?
Yes, ma'am.
Or you all having
Yes,
some
ma'am.
doubts? I'm asking, I know few of you are getting, I'm asking rest of you. Are you getting all of you?
Ma'am, actually, I'm having one doubt in one question of the right shift operator.
So anyone else who is having any doubt? Alec, are you there?
Ma'am, Akash is having a doubt.
He is having doubt, I think. Are you clear what I am discussing or you have doubt, Alec? Satyaranjan Das? Satyaranjan Das, am I audible to you? Satyaranjan Das, am I audible? Others? Others Patel, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you getting whatever I am discussing in the class or you have some doubts?
No, ma'am, I don't have any doubts.
You are clear with all the concept.
Yes, ma'am.
Saurabh Deshmukh,
Yes, ma'am.
are you clear with the things?
Yes, ma'am. With both right shift
Akansha,
and left shift.
I am not telling about right shift and left shift. Up to the portions that I have covered till now, are you clear or you have some doubts?
No, ma'am. No, I have no doubt.
Anjali, Anjali Priya, Ankit,
Yes, ma'am.
are you having doubts or you are clear up to the portion that we have covered till now?
No, ma'am, it's clear. Sometimes I get doubt, but when I read the book, it's clear.
Okay, because I am not able to know now whether you are having doubts or you are clear because it is just an online class. Okay, I
Yes,
can't
ma'am.
see your faces. So how
Yes,
could I know that you have no doubts or you are having doubts and where you are just lagging behind? So that is why I am asking to all of you. If any point you are having any doubt, you are not understanding the concept, please ask me. It's a sincere request from me. Okay, Aisa, are you having any doubts?
No, ma'am.
Because I don't know na, whether you are clear or you are not clear. I can't see your faces. If we are there in the classroom, then I will able to know whether you are getting it or you are not getting it. Haris,
no, ma'am, no doubt.
are you sure you don't have any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Mika,
No, ma'am.
Manish Pradhan, Manish Pradhan, are you there? Nishikant, are you having any doubts? Ravi, Ravi, are you there?
Ma'am. Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Gurman.
Ma'am, I wanted to ask that if in exam we get any bitwise shift operator question, I mean left shift or right shift, then we need to show that full 32-bit operation or only use the formula and show the answer.
You can give the output, okay?
I mean it's up to us now that we can show either the 32-bit full operation or only.
You can either you can go with if the number is a difficult one, you can go with the 32-bit representation, and otherwise you can go with the formula. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Mm-hmm. Sanskar,
Yes, ma'am.
are you getting?
Yes, ma'am. I'm getting everything.
Shubham Swai, Shubham Swai, are you there?
Hello. Yes, ma'am.
Hmm. Are you having any doubts or you are clear with the concept?
Yes, ma'am. Only little bit doubt in the practical part. Otherwise,
Ma'am,
Clear with the concept or you are in doubts? I just want to know, are you clear with the concept?
yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Swanup, Swanupanjan, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you clear with the concept?
Yes, ma'am.
Tejas, 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 are you there? Truptiman, Upasna, Upasna
Yes,
Patnaik,
ma'am. Yes,
are
ma'am.
you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you clear with the concepts that we are discussing now?
Yes, ma'am. I'm cleared.
Do you have any problems in the lab session?
No, ma'am.
Shyam Saran,
Yes, ma'am.
are you clear with the things?
Yes, ma'am.
Yash, Yash, are you there?
मैम
Yes, Aisha.
मैम मैम मैंने बिटवाइज ऑपरेटर वो मैम मैंने समझा ही नहीं है मैम मैं 2 क्लास अटेंड नहीं कर पाई थी इसीलिए मैम क्या आप फिर से बिटवाइज ऑपरेटर पढ़ा सकते हैं
Okay. Anyone else apart from Aisa who have doubts in bitwise operator?
Me.
Yes,
Raghav. Anyone
Sharmila.
else? Anjali,
Sir,
very
I
good.
doubt with one question.
Me too, ma'am.
Ma'am, I
Yes?
just
Excuse me.
need to do the questions.
Questions. Yes, we will discuss few questions today. Okay, so those who have
Ma'am,
doubts in the bitwise, I will again explain it. Just raise your hands. Bitwise operator. I want this response.
मैम वो जो नेगेटिव नंबर का बाइनरी फॉर्म कैसे निकलते हैं
हाँ
वो
हाँ 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 मैं बताऊंगी. Okay. Okay. So where you have doubts, bitwise, left shift, bitwise. Okay. So just give me a minute. Just give me a minute. Because I want to know, because you will have your questions based on the operators itself. Okay. Just a minute. I have a call. Just a minute. Okay, so again I will start with bitwise operator. Bitwise left shift, right shift. You both have in doubt. You have doubt in both the part.
Ma'am, right shift.
Ma'am, both, ma'am.
Okay, again I will repeat it, no problem. Okay, so let me share my screen first. Is the screen is visible to all of you?
No, ma'am.
Now?
Yes, ma'am.
No. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now check here. I am going with bitwise operator. So this symbol is my,
Left shift.
Left
this
shift.
is my left shift operator. So if I am going to write n, and this means n is the number that is going to be left shifted to s. So first we need to convert n to the binary form. Okay, n का value से binary में convert करेंगे. After we converted it, we are going to shift n by s number of bits. Okay, so we are going to shift n by s number of bits, or in a simpler way we can say that n into s n into 2 to the power s. Okay, now let here I am going to have one value int x. Let my value of x is 10. I am going to shift x. So int y is equals to s. I am going to shift it by how many bits?
3 bits.
Now I am writing println y is equals to y. So what is the value of x here? Value of x here.
10.
Binary representation of 10. 2 5s are 10. The remainder will be 0. Again,
1
2
0.
2s are 4. The remainder is 1. Again, 2 1s are 2. Remainder is 0. So
Ma'am, I had some network issues. Can you explain that again? Hello?
Ma'am, your voice is breaking.
Hello?
some network issue is there today, I think.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, again I will share my screen. Is the screen is visible to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So,
Ma'am, can you explain this one
so
from
the
the beginning?
binary of x is, or yes, I am telling it. We are going with the left shift operator. Here I am going to shift n with how many bits to left? S bits to left.
Yes.
Okay, where n is my binary number. Now let here I have taken n is equals to 10. So what is the binary of 10? Here I have computed it. So when I repetitively dividing by 2, I am getting 1010, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now what is the data type of
Yes,
x?
ma'am.
x का data type
Int.
क्या है?
In
INT. In
What is the size of int?
32 bits.
32
4 bytes or 32
bits.
bits. So I am going to represent x in how 32-bit format. So this is my 32-bit representation of x. So as it is a bitwise operator, we are going to perform operation at the bit level. Okay. So this is my binary 10. Are you clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Then how many bits it is asking to shift?
3 bits.
3
3 bits. Towards where?
left.
Towards left.
So I am shifting 3 bits towards left. So whenever I am going to shift bits towards left, here the shift operation is performed in this order. This is the first shift operation I am doing. So this 0 is shifted here, this 0 is here, 1, and the 1 will be shifted here, 0, 1. Okay, as we have shifted one value, यहाँ पर क्या हो गया? One position is
Vacant.
vacant. So here we are going to put a
0.
0. Okay. Similarly, in the second shift operation, here last position will
Vacant.
0.
again put a 0 here. Similarly, in the third shift operation, zero, 1, 1, 0, 0. Again, the last bit position is
0
again the last bit position is 0. So what we are going to put? What we are going to put? We are going to put a 0. So if we are going to do in this order, what will be the index number? So what is the index number here? Which 2 index number we are going to add it? 2 to the power
6.
6 plus 2 to the power
4.
4. So what is the value of 2 to the power 6?
64.
64 plus 16. What is the answer?
80.
80
We are getting the answer as
80.
80. So this is how we are going to do in the bit level. So if we are directly going to put it in the formula, what is the value of n here? N का value
10.
कितना है?
10.
So the value of n is 10. We are shifting it by how many bits?
3 bits.
3
By 3 bits. So can I write 10 into 2 to the power s? S में कितना आ जाएगा?
3.
So
3.
10 into 8. What will be the answer?
80.
80
Are you getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you clear with this shift operator?
Yes, ma'am.
Left shift. Okay, should I move to the right shift operation?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now check one example. I am just opening the Eclipse. Okay, so here I am just opening one file, class. int x is equals to 10. Int y is equals to x. I'm going to left shift by 3 bits. So here I will write y is equals to plus y. If you want to check the binary form, here I am writing to binary and the value is y. Now I am running the code. Okay, what is the value of y?
80.
And what is the binary form of it? 101 followed by how many zeros?
4.
4 zeros. We are not getting it here. Check this value. This one.
Yes, ma'am.
101 followed by how many zeros?
4 zeros.
40.
4 zeros. Okay. This is how we are obtaining it. Now suppose I am going with a negative number. Now let here we are using negative minus 10. I will do left shift operation. So what is the answer here? What is the answer here?
Minus 80.
And check the binary string that is obtained. Now you will tell me int x is equals to minus 10. Int y, here I am writing in a line, left shift to this is my 10 value. Yes or no? So it is a minus 10. Minus 10 means what we are going to write here? What we are going to write? We are going to represent in this form.
Yes, ma'am.
So negative numbers, how it will be stored?
So 2's complement method. 2's complement.
2's complement.
2's complement. So what is the 2's complement of this value? First we are going to perform 1's complement. So in 1's complement we are flipping all the zeros to 1 and 1 to 0. हो गया? Then we are going to add a 1 to 8. So if I am going to add a 1 to 8, what will be the value? 1 plus 1 क्या होगा बताओ?
0
Very 1. So 1 plus 0 is 1. Is it correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now you are doing what? Left shift operation?
Yes, ma'am.
Left shift by how many bits?
3 bit.
3 bits. So I'm just writing in the, now here 1 bit position will be blank
Yes, ma'am.
and rest of the value will be
1.
1. So here what you are going to put?
0.
0. So in the next shift operation, then 1 bit position will be blank and rest of the value will be
1.
1. Then put a 0. In the third shift operation, 1 bit position will be blank and rest of the bits will be
1.
here put a 0. Now check whether this answer you are getting in the binary string or not. How many zeros are there?
4.
4. Now 1 0 will be left on third step. Then
8, 2 zeros.
I mean the last line one extra one is there.
The last line is wrong, I think.
Yes, here 1 extra 0 will be there. Okay. Here 1, 2, 3 zeros. This 3 it will be left shifted. Then this 1, 1. Then here 0. Okay. So how many zeros are there?
4 zeros.
4 zeros. So this 0 is shifted here. This 0 is shifted here. This 0 is shifted here. 1 is shifted to this 1. This 0, 1 and the rest of the values are shifted. So are you getting the same thing?
Yes, ma'am.
So whenever you are going to now what you are going to do, you are going to find out the 2's complement of this statement itself. So 2's complement होगा तो क्या होगा? Here all zeros. You will find it as minus 80 itself. So this is your 1's complement. As it is a negative number, leave the MSB as it is, add a 1. So whenever you are going to add a 1, I am doing the operations in the last part. Here 0, carry 1, 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1, again 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1, 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1, then 0, 1. So isn't it the 80 value?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is how it is done at the bit level. Are you clear?
Yes, ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
Rest of you, are you clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Anjali?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, now go with the right shift operation. Just tell me what we are going to do in the right shift operation. Now, if my x value is 10, int y is equals to x right shift 3. So, where we are going to shift the bit?
Towards right.
Right side.
So, if we are going to shift the bits towards right side, so what will be the formula? If it is in the form of s 2 to the power
Yes.
s. So, here 1 0 1 0. So, rest of the bits are 0. Okay, So if I'm going to shift right, तो right shift होगा तो क्या होगा? This is rest bit will be 0. This one is my second shift operation, and this one is going to be my third shift operation. So if I'm going to do right shift operation, what is the value I am getting? So what is the value I will get? Only 1. It is the lower bound based on the formula. So you can check here. All of you clear with this one?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now do.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, this binary form that we write is binary string that we have write in.
Yes, yes, it is in the binary string.
Okay.
Okay. So next you just tell me the answer. What will be the value for minus 10? Minus 10. What will be the value for minus 10?
-1.
The answer simply you can tell it as -1. जो भी value plus 10 के लिए आएगा, whatever answer you will get, the same answer you will get for the negative number also, but in terms of a minus sign. Are you clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Because it will convert to 2's complement. After doing 2's complement, it will do right shift operation. Once it completed the right shift operation, again the you need to find out 2's complement and you will get the answer. Okay?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes?
Ma'am, actually, I'm doing a question on -11.
Yes.
So I'm getting the right binary digits, but I'm getting -2.
Minus 11. Minus 11. How many bits you are shifting?
Ma'am, 3. Right shift.
Right shift. 3 bits. So you tell me. 11 divided by 8. What is the answer?
It's coming 1 only. It's coming 1. 1, ma'am.
Get 1, no?
Yes, ma'am, but I'm doing in the editor, it's coming -2.
Minus 2.
Yes, ma'am, please check.
11. 3 bits, right?
Yes, ma'am. -11.
Just a minute. Minus 11.
See.
Okay. Okay. So here it is a trap. Okay, all of you look. I am doing it. int x equals to what you have tell?
-11.
int y equals to how many bits? 3 bits. So what is the binary of 11?
1011. 1011.
1011. All of you got the answer? Binary of 11?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So 2 2s are 4. Remainder is 1. 2 1s are 2. 0. So it is 1011. So I am representing it in the binary format. One zero one one. Okay, so here what I need to do? What I need to do?
Yes, right words. Sorry,
Right.
No, right. What I need to do first? It is for 2's complement.
Complement 0 to 1.
Two's complement. So here 1 will be as it is. Convert all the zeros to 1. 0, 1, 0, 0. Then add a binary
1.
1 to it. 1, 0, 1, 0. 2, 3, 4. Is it correct? Yes. Okay, then what we are going to do?
Right shift.
To how many bits?
3 bits.
3 bits. This 0.
Ma'am, we have to shift right.
We have to do right shift.
Sorry. So 0, 1, ये क्या हो गया? 0 and rest value will be 1. This is my first shift operation. Okay. In the second shift operation, here it will be all 1. Check it. Again, in the second shift operation, 1, 0, 1, then rest bit will be 1. And in the third shift operation, what will be the value?
0, 1, 1, 1, 1.
Okay, so this is the value we are getting. 1, 0. Now check it. Yeah, this is the value we are obtaining.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, when you are going to do the 2's complement, you will find it. ये हो जाएगा 1 और बाकी सारा बिट हो गया 0. So when we are going to add a binary 1 to it, 0, 1, 1 plus 0, it is 1. So you will get what? Minus 2. But with the formula you are getting? With the formula you are getting?
Ma'am, with the formula we will get the same answer.
2.
Yes, ma'am.
Here it is the lower bound.
Yes, ma'am. So minus 11 by 8 will be equal to minus 1 point something. And
Minus
its lower
1
bound
by
will be
1 by something means here lower bound means the fractional part will be discarded.
Ma'am, it's a negative number, so we will get left side on the number line, then it will get minus 2.
How you will get a left side in the number line minus 2? Here you are getting 1.5. So always go with the binary representation.
Yes, ma'am, but minus 1 point something, lower bound will be equal to minus 2 only.
Okay, you are rounding it up.
No, ma'am, he is telling that on the
No,
negative side. Like minus 1.5 lower bound will be minus 2.
Yes, okay. Lower bounded is minus 2. Okay.
So, ma'am, we will get the same answer with formula also.
You will get the same answer. Okay, but better you will go with the binary representation rather than with the formula. Okay, whenever we are going to perform the lower bound of the negative, it will be minus 2. Okay, should I move to the unsigned right shift operator?
Yes, ma'am.
So in unsigned right shift operator, what is happening? So here I am going to do the changes. Whenever we are shifting the value of a sign or simple right shift operator, here we are replacing the value with what? लेफ्ट साइड का वैल्यू किससे रिप्लेस करते हैं फॉर नेगेटिव नंबर?
1.
But in case of our unsigned right shift operator, we are shifting and we are replacing the value with we are shifting the value or we are replacing the value with 0 instead of 1. The same question. Yes, in the same question here I am doing the changes. You check the changes carefully. Here, what the number you are getting? What is the value of y you are getting here?
2536870.
Is a positive number or a negative number?
Positive number.
Positive number. If I am going to do with simple right shift operator, what is the value I am getting?
Negative.
Negative number. So this is the basic difference with unsigned right shift operator. Here I am just deleting this part. If I am going to do, if I am going to do right shift minus 11, so this is my क्या था value? What is the value at the end? Anyone remembered?
1011.
Two's complement value.
1011 I think.
0101.
01.
01.
Okay. 0101. So whenever I'm going to do the right shift, यहाँ पर क्या आ गया 010 and here all 1. चार पाँच छः सात. So this space is remaining blank. Okay, so if I am going with the simple right shift operator, what you are putting here?
1.
But in unsigned right shift operator, here we will put a
0.
0. So if we are going to put a 0, now which number it becomes?
Positive.
Positive number.
Positive number. So again shift another bit. So how many zeros will be there in the left side or in the MSB?
2.
2.
So how many zeros will be there?
2.
2 zeros. Similarly, if I am going to do another shift operation, so how many zeros will be there?
3.
3 zeros. So what will be the number? It is a positive number or a negative number?
Positive number.
Positive.
So this is how we are getting this value. यहाँ पर देखो आंसर वही आया है ना. If I am going to do unsigned right shift operation, so what is the number you are getting? What is the number you are getting? It's a negative number or a positive number?
Positive number.
Positive number. And this is the value. You can check here. Okay, these 3 zeros, it is not displaying. So altogether, how many ones are there? Just count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28 ones are there. You can count here how many ones are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 and 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28 ones are there. Are you clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so this is the difference between your unsigned operator and the signed operator. Okay, so should I give you one question? You can do it.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Try this question. I'm just giving you one question. You just try it.
Ma'am, is there any shortcut to find value of this?
No, there is no shortcut to find unsigned right shift operation. Okay?
No, ma'am.
There's no formula.
We have
Yes?
to do.
Formula.
You need no formula is there. You need to compute it. Binary convert karna, you need to do the operation. And always remember, for positive numbers, there is no problem. You can easily find it using the formula. But in case of your negative number, agar negative number आया होगा, then you need to what? Represent it in the binary form.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay?
अगर नेगेटिव नंबर आता है तो उसका बाइनरी फॉर्म में आंसर दे या जनरल फॉर्म में?
तुम बाइनरी में दे दो, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. ये देखो, पॉजिटिव नंबर के लिए देयर इज नो प्रॉब्लम. फॉर पॉजिटिव नंबर यू नेवर हैव एनी प्रॉब्लम. ओके, यू विल गेट द सेम रिजल्ट. बट इन केस ऑफ योर नेगेटिव नंबर, यहाँ पर क्या होता था राइट शिफ्ट में? इट इज जस्ट -1. बट इफ यू आर गोइंग टू डू अनसाइंड पार्ट, यू जस्ट रिमेंबर यू विल गेट द आंसर, पॉजिटिव आंसर आएगा, लेकिन कितना आएगा वो नहीं पता है. सो यू नीड टू कंप्यूट इट.
अच्छा, कंप्यूट ही करना पड़ेगा.
For negative numbers you need to compute it. For positive number there is no problem. Okay, I am just giving you one.
अनसाइंड ऑपरेटर यूज किया है.
Yes, क्या बोले? What you are saying?
मैम अनसाइंड ऑपरेटर का यूज किया है.
Unsigned operator का यूज क्या है? It is basically needed for some higher end applications. Okay. For example, I will tell you some cryptographic applications are there where we are going to use shift operations. We are encrypting the bits. So at that time we are going to use signed operator or unsigned operator.
Okay.
So any other question, or I will give you one question. So try this one. You tell me the output of the statement. Here I am writing the question. Be careful. We have a set number of questions based on operator. I am just giving you one question. And from Monday onwards, we are going to start with the conditional statements, if else. So try to be there in the class, because all the logical concept we are going to start it from Monday. So these are the fundamental things till now we have discussing. And from Monday we are going to discussing the logical part. So we are going to do a number of problems. So what is the output of the statement? Here 101. Okay, it is the integer value. What will be the output of the statement? Do it in copy and pen. And remember, it will compute in the.
And what is written in println?
It will work from left to right. Okay, and it is having the highest priority than the XOR operation. So here, what is the value of X?
10, ma'am.
Here the value of X is 10 and we have incremented here 11. Okay, XOR Y plus plus. What will be the value of Y?
6.
So we are doing XOR of binary 10 with binary
Binary 6.
6. Remember this point. यहाँ पर क्या होगा? Here you are going to do the assignment first. So what is the value of x? X equals to y. Y में क्या है अभी? What is the value in y?
6.
6.
6. 6 will be updated with
X.
11.
x. Not here. Here 6 will be updated with x. x में कितना आ जाएगा? 6 आ जाएगा. And 1 0 1. Okay. You do it. You do it and tell me the answer. Afterwards, I will explain you. You got the answer?
Yes, ma'am, I got
What is your
12.
answer?
12.
12. Yes. Anyone else?
Yes, ma'am. 12.
12. All of you are getting 12? Anjali.
Yes, ma'am. 12.
Anjali?
Yes, ma'am. 12.
12. Manish? Manish Pradhan. Aisha 12. Okay. Manish, what's your answer? Okay. So here, what is the binary of 10 now? 1 0
1 0 1 0.
1 0. What is the binary of 6?
110.
1 1 0. Okay. So what is the binary of 1 0 1?
101 is itself.
What is the binary of 101? Twos are 4. Two twos are 4. Two ones are 2. Two twos are 4. Your remainder is 1. 2 6 are 12. Remainder is 0. 2 3s are 6. The remainder here will be yes.
Ma'am, can we take 101 as binary form?
No. It's you need to convert it. Otherwise, you will get some different answer. If instead of 101, 50 will be there, then what you are going to find out?
Then we have to compute. I thought that it is a binary.
No. You need to convert it to binary. Otherwise, you will get confused. Okay. As it is 101, you can easily find out it is. You can do the AND operation, but instead of 101, 50 will be there.
Then we have to perform the binary.
Then you need to perform it. Okay. So, 2 ones are 2. Here remainder is. So the binary form is 1 1 0 0 1 0 1. Okay, and the binary for 6 is AND operation होगा तो क्या होगा? We are getting this value 1 0 0. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so here 1 0 1 0 and 6 का कितना है बाइनरी 1 1 0. If you are going to do XOR operation, ये क्या हो गया? We will get 1 1 0 0. Because for 0 0 the value will be 0, 1 1 the value will be 0. For 0 1 it is 1, for 1 0 it is 1. So 1 1 0 0 and here it is 1 0 0. So कौन सा ऑपरेशन परफॉर्म करोगे? Which operation you are going to perform? और होगा तो आंसर कितना आ रहा है? 1 1 0 0. 2 to the power 3 plus 2 to the power 2. So 8 plus 4, what is the value? 8 plus 4, what is the value?
मैम वो XOR कैसे ऑपरेट की फिर से
मैम वो XOR वो वाला एक बार दोबारा
XOR. In XOR operation, here the XOR operation का rule क्या है? The simple rule for the here I am erasing. One zero 1 0. Here 1 1 0. For XOR operation, if the bits are same, the answer will be 0. For opposite bits, the answer will be
okay ma'am.
Okay. So we will again continue in the next class. Already time. हाँ.
मैम वो जो 101 का बाइनरी तो बहुत लंबा है, आपने सिर्फ 4 डिजिट क्यों लिया है?
मैं तो लंबा ली हूँ. I have not taken this one. 1 1 0 0 1 0 1. It is the binary of 101.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then I have performed AND operation with 1 0 0. Then I obtained 1 0 0. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. We will continue in the next class. Thank you all.
Thank you ma'am.